don't have my card. I left it over by my bag, so I'm just going to do my 5 yoga poses in nature, 5 days a week for 5 months. This is day number 2 this week. And I think now I do triangle pose, so my feet are at a little farther than hip width apart. And this time I looked it up, triangle pose was same hand to same leg. Pose number 2, triangle pose. First pose was mountain pose. My goal is 4 breaths in each pose. My hair is tickling my nose. And then downward dog. So first I'm going downward facing dog. First I'm going to do a forward fold, and then here comes a truck. I'm way over, around, past the park by a little fishing spot. Bend my knees to swoop up. And let's see, I'm going to have to look at my paper. Okay, pyramid pose. So again, feet are, I think they're quite a bit almost like the triangle pose, a little farther than hip width apart, and then legs stay straight. And rather than one hand going down, both hands are going down on the same side. Okay, and then my last pose, I'm doing it super easy on myself this week because my left knee is hurting right over the top, and I think I was doing some of the lunges, and I wasn't, like, I'm doing the poses right, but my body doesn't respond. So this is just mountain pose with my hands. I kind of do a roll back with my shoulders, hands forward, and I'm really pushing out and away, stretching my fingers all wide apart and open, and pushing down and away. I'm not just like standing here casually. I'm physically like pushing my arms toward the ground. Keeping my chin back, my jaw soft. Because my core is not strong yet, and I'm working on my core, I don't have the stability in my core to keep myself in a lunge properly, and my left knee is really hurting me, so I'm giving myself different poses this week, and some of them are a little bit easier just because I want my knee to have that time to heal. So this is, like I said, Ott's Park. I've come to this little section quite a few times, down in that little spot, but this is just a nice little area of trees. And I just want to see when I'm doing the triangle pose, I'm looking up at that. Isn't that just like cool? I love nature. Hear the birds sing. Enjoy life, everyone.